Hey, Lynn.
Yes?
They're going to go. You want to go to registration? Or you want... I'm on in. I'm looking out for you. That's how I do it. I think some people will come on, Jake. How y'all doing? Good. Get down on your knees and look on your screen. Drop the little squirrel. Heck no. He's just around.
Okay. I had 40, or
no, you had 32.
32.
2 yards, yeah. That's not bad though. I mean,
Nice shot. That thing is so dead, Tobin. So dead. Holy cow, you're shooting better than any of us.
Hey.
Low again.
Yeah. Oh, I see it. You should make your own go with the bow hand sign, Dad. I got it.
That belongs. Nice shot.
Tobin, you got an in between on the other foot.
Got a long way to go.
You're in the way. Thank you.
That was perfectly straight.
Pretty good. That's up to 9. That's 400.
So after this one is the last one?
I would say 72 to 74.
I have mine on 74. And my height's perfect.
Like this, and hold it, and hold it. Not now.
Hallelujah. Because they're very,
Beautiful. Hold it up, because you keep getting short, so hold up a little higher. Up higher.
You got room for a 6-pack and a pizza?
I'm glad.
Yeah, we came very time. I'll drop it for you. Yeah, you gotta get some pizza. Oh yeah, pizza. Let's get out of the cameras. Now we're about to go hit prime.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I heard it. Okay, don't take anything out. Okay, so you got one right in the middle. Look at this beautiful view. Take a chip.
Put it on the bacon.
Oh, that's your.
Oh,
Got him.
shot him right in the bacon.
That was bad.
Okay.
Hello?
No, he went to the side.
Ah.
You know what? Excuse me, John.
Oh, it was right in the middle. They're telling me.
Good job.
Like that's it.
Beautiful.
Got it.
It was a little low from what I thought, but
Woo!
dang. You missed that sucker.
Fist bump.
Thank you.
Alright, you got a Steel Tobin's #1 catch.
Art shot. Grease with heart.
Nice.
Oh, that was a great shot, though. Ask the YouTube to this.
That's right.
It's
there.
not.
I consider this a first shot.
That's the underbelly right there. Underdog.
at this. That's a steep.
Nice.
Low, so I just aim high.
Yeah, I'm like wondering what my bow's doing too, so
It's just me.
I'd make sure you get your numbers on. Get close. You're shooting low, remember? Get 'em up there first. Nice shot.
I don't even know how to do that thing.
Ooh, I'm sweating.
Me too. Well, that's why.
Oh, you grabbed where you go?
Oh.
Did I do that?
You grabbed where you go. You can't shoot that again.
No, I can't.
Look, I'm glad nobody got hurt. You threw your speed knocks off.
I know, I saw that.
Blew up your shirt.
I thought I just had it in my thing. Did you see me? I thought I did. I could have sworn I did. Because I did not try to clear.
We were talking to Tobes and you got sidetracked because you were telling. Alright, come on, Tobes.
I guess we can't talk at the same time, huh?
No.
Always worried about him.
That's how it goes.
You just have to shoot my arrows.
Mom's gonna shoot
Hey, you can
Dad's
try.
bow.
Your arrows?
Yeah, my arrows are too short. Oh, this is a cool shot.
I don't want to miss it. Well, then you don't have any arrows left.
We'll just try if you feel comfortable. And if not. How far back there?
What, you can hear that?
Oh yeah.
I'd be like, yeah, I'm a mother, and I was multitasking.
Don't forget your arrow.
No.
Here, you could use this rock as your release.
What is this?
It's already set up at 75. I don't know.
Yeah, I
if
was
it'll
gonna set the arrow in there.
It might be way too long for you, but nice.
Good job.
That's it.
Boom! Great shot.
Let's see these shots. First aid kit. Tons of water. Next shot. Then Dad's bow would be
It's just been a
broken.
That would be
Bad luck.
unacceptable. Nice shot.
Right here. No, not now.
Whistle.
I don't know why you asked that.
What?
I don't know why you asked that. Since she's shooting yours. Well, he just used it. Oh. Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, you bounced off the rock, but
possible.
You lucky shot. You were completely off to the left, and you hit the branch and skipped in and got it.
Dad, you said you lucky shot.
I was surprised. I was surprised.
Surprise!
I didn't know what to say right now.
Yeah. Did you think you'd get it?
It's a hard shot. Dang.
Bro! Mom's calculations are right. Yeah, blame it on her.
Boom.
Nice!
Shot.
Woo!
High above the insert shoulder. Tobes, you letting it rip?
I don't think it's gonna work.
Get this on film.
Yes.
Oh, not, yeah.
Run out of going. Hey, that's not bad. No comment. This would be a perfect shot. So who got what?
Dad, Mom.
Wait, this would be me. Ready?
Oh, really? It would have came.
Boom. Yeah.
Someone else hit it.
Oh.
I know
That's
you
what
did.
I did.
I know you did. I'm really surprised I did.
Wait for the win.
Yes. Nice shot. Nest? Oh yes, nest the tip, but oh no, it's dead. Sure. Great shooting, kiddos and mamas. All done with the Total Archery. Back home from San Antonio. We got the driver. We got the cameraman.